Okay, unit 1414. Very long hallways. So it should be this one, 1413. There it is, it's this one. Okay, so let me just see if there's another elevator set over here, because that was a long way. There's a stairs. I don't think that, well, if you're looking for fitness, 14 stairs of flight, 14 flights of stairs. No, okay. So there is no other elevator in the back side of the building. So I think that this is the biggest decision here, right here is, so 1414. The height of the door is regular height.
Yeah.
KitchenAid, newer, fairly clean. LG. Okay, so it looks like the water's turned off. So regular 8-foot ceilings here and slightly taller here. And you definitely get more of a city view. Okay, so from here, I'll show you where the townhouse is, but the balcony so that's the townhouses. Okay. That parking lot is for the courthouse. This is part of the courthouse and the jail. So that is Andrews. It is a far busier street than 7th. So you hear more traffic here. There's an echo with all the buildings. So here you definitely hear the traffic more. And, you know, not the best view. You get a peekaboo view of the river. Bathroom, it's fairly large. Again, water's been turned off. So we have tile here, tile, and then laminate, and it's not the nice laminate. Second bedroom, shutters, impact windows, Murphy bed. It's not a square room. The closet is at an angle. And it has these glass doors. Entryways are regular size. AC. Primary and linen closet, also at an angle. And then your primary is also at an angle. Let's explore that. Okay, so here you have a tub. No shower. The height here is low again. And a compact sink, just one. And one walk-in closet. With these doors that are not very high quality. They get stuck. And your view, but you do get to see the river a little bit. But what's prominent here is the courthouse. And you're on the side where, you know, the Andrews side. So very different. The ceilings here are higher, but then they do this in certain areas. Now it appears that what sells people on this building is the amenities, the penthouse, the pool, all that stuff. And of course, you pay for that with the maintenance fees. Parking here will always be a challenge for you and your guests, mostly for your guests. You get an assigned parking. So this definitely feels more like a condo apartment, all one story. So I am not speeding up the video, I'm just walking fast so you can see what it would be like to get in and out of your unit on a daily basis. Okay, so I took the elevator to the 6th floor. No pets allowed in common area. Okay, so that's the penthouse. And I don't know how sensitive you are, but there is a very, very strong scented smell in here. And some people get a reaction to that. Some people, like me, I feel an immediate headache coming on. It's very, very strong. Maybe they just did it and it would go down soon. So we have 4 elevators. Good morning.